It's limitless. There's the opportunity for freedom, exploration. It defines creativity, and it just opens the doors for so many things for you to discover about yourself and about your career. My name's Aidain, and I'm in the Bachelor of Design program. Coming into the program, I thought that I was going to leave with a basic understanding of graphic design principles and some experience limited to what I thought of as traditional graphic design. But now I've learned so much about so many different aspects of design. I've learned about motion design, 3D design, photography, videography, and I've actually ended up with a position in the field doing 3D animation and doing a bunch of other things that I never even considered before I entered the program. I was really nervous. I was a mature student and I hadn't been in school for a long time, and I hadn't had the best relationship with school previous to coming into the program. But the professors just made me feel so welcome and worked with me so much and helped me build the academic skills that I hadn't been able to build previously in life to get me to the point where I was able to become the student that I always wanted to be. I feel like I've built a community of peers that I can rely on when it comes to learning and growth and getting critique on my work. Whenever I enter the classroom, it just feels like we're all there with the same goal and we all want to help each other reach that goal. Through the past year and a half has led me now to working on a documentary doing 3D animation. So you really get to explore anything that you want, and because we're exposed to so many different aspects of design, it really opens the door for you to see and experiment and kind of put your feet in the water and learn what you like about design and where you want to focus and what you might want to focus on more than aspects that we explore in the classroom. We also focus on a lot of business elements, and it really prepares you to go into a more business or managerial role in the design world. And as well, we have an 8-month co-op that prepares you for the workplace as well, a lot more than other 3-year and shorter programs. I think the skills that I've built and the relationships I've formed at Conestoga have helped me in more ways than I can explain. Everywhere I go now, I feel as though I'm more confident in my ability, I'm more confident in who I am as a person, and all those things are a product of Conestoga's learning environment. Hands-on lessons, tight-knit relationships in the classroom, and practical experience all have helped me become who I am today, and without the program, I wouldn't have learned half of these things.